always thought that engineering was just like building stuff, but now I see that there's like chemical engineers, civil engineers.
I really thought engineering was kind of boring because I thought all you did was build stuff and that it was like nothing really important. But now after this, I see how important it is right now, that it helps our environment and it helps people around us.
Like I just thought math was equations, but I never knew where the equations went. Like, why do I need to find X?
So we're doing Girls in Engineering to introduce girls to engineering and show them all the different fun things that they could do as an engineer, and also show that how so many of their interests could be related to engineering.
It's really a week to introduce these middle school girls to how fun and exciting engineering and inventing and the design process is.
Middle school is like the perfect age to target for these kinds of programs, simply because they're kind of at an age where they're trying to figure out what they want to do. They're kind of starting to figure themselves out at this age. So for us, it's really interesting and it's really exciting to see them kind of discover who they are and discover what they like.
Women problem solve differently. We may have different skill sets, but I think diversity in general is good for a team to solve a problem. Bringing in different ideas, different possibilities gives you a much more creative solution than if everyone comes in with the same mindset.
I think it's important for engineering to be a cross-section of the way that the world exists now in terms of gender and race and class, because engineering hopes to provide solutions that are beneficial to not just those who are already represented in these professions, but everyone on the planet, potentially.
I think engineering is a career that helps people realize their potential in creativity, in inventiveness, in working with others, and it's very rewarding.
We like to challenge the girls. All the activities and everything I think are a high level and we expect a lot from them, but they seem to be willing to keep up 100%. I mean, like they want to work and they want to learn this stuff, which is really cool.
It's been a really interesting experience to remember that middle school excitement over everything that I think can kind of be lost in high school, and like it's been really cool to see how excited they get over everything and know that I used to get that excited and like sort of recapture that energy about everything, like regardless of how big or small it is.
I think the goal of this camp is to just open their minds to the possibility of engineering in their future and kind of just increase like their appreciation of the things that like engineers have done for this world and like things they've built and things that maybe they take for granted and they didn't think about.
I think it's really meaningful because you don't really see many girls who are into math and science, and to have so many girls who are really excited about it and really excited to learn about these things, it's been really cool for me to see.
I've had a lot of fun because I got to meet new people and do a lot of fun projects.
The team project we're doing is so cool, and I never thought I could like help invent something so awesome.
It's been like a really good experience, and I wish I could stay longer because this is like a million times better than school.
This program was like one of the best programs I've ever done. It's like a no judge zone, like you can mess up because it's engineering, you need to retry things.
It's been really fun. Like this is probably like the best part of my summer so far. I think it's life-changing. Like I learned like things that I probably would never forget.
This has been an awesome week. I want to be an engineer when I grow up and make the world a better place.